This story is about Pakshipur jungles, where there lived a parrot named Mittu. Mittu has been born just a few months back. His mother was very weak. She died after giving birth to Mittu. Mittu was a tiny bird. He did not know how he would learn to fly or to talk. Slowly, time was passing. Mittu copied others and learned to fly. But Mittu never learned to talk. Or maybe he was dumb. Mittu also used to think like others.
When I will speak like others, or I will be like this only.
Then one day, Munmun the bird and her partner, Big Fat Papaya Uncle, was sitting in front of his house. And they started talking about Mittu.
Do you know that Mittu is dumb? I came to know about this just a few days back. Oh, is it so, Munmun? I came to know of this today. I thought maybe he did not learn to talk at all. That's why he keeps quiet. But I'm feeling bad to know that he is dumb. Yes, sister. But even we got to know that he is dumb. Poor thing. His mother died after giving birth to him. He did not learn anything from birth.
Why you guys are not helping him when you know that he lost his mother?
Papaya uncle, who has such a lot of time? And how could we teach him to talk? We have a lot of household work.
Fat Papaya Uncle felt very sad hearing this. Then after some time, Mittu the parrot came flying towards him. Then Fat Papaya Uncle tells him,
Mittu, I know that you don't know me, but I know you very well. I am your papaya uncle. If you are listening to my words, then you can blow your wings. I will understand.
Mittu flaps his wings.
Very good. I know that you lost your mother during your birth, nor you have any friends in this jungle because you are dumb. But don't worry, I will be your friend and also I will treat you.
Mittu flaps his wing and his eyes moist.
I know you want to tell me so many things, but you are unable to do so. But I can understand from your eyes. Don't be sad, dear. I will be with you. You will never feel alone with me.
Mittu spreads his wings near Papaya Uncle and tries to embrace him.
You can stay at my home. I am also giving shelter to all other birds. But from now onwards, you will stay permanently.
The next day when both of them woke up, Papaya Uncle asks Munmun the bird to look for the best doctor in the jungle so that they can treat Mittu the parrot.
Mittu, let's go. I found a very good doctor for you. We will treat you by him. Then you can also talk.
Then Mittu the parrot flies away with Munmun the bird. Then they go to the doctor and Munmun the bird tells him everything.
Doctor, this friend of mine has turned 5 months old, but he still cannot talk. Please bring back his voice. Whatever it takes for the treatment, we are ready to bear it. Only bring back his voice.
Don't worry. It's a very small procedure. I will operate him and you have to do some of the exercises.
Please treat him. All the exercise, I will make him do it. Whatever you say, we will do it just the same.
Yeah, I will give some medicines. Also, I will suggest some exercises. Please make him do all these things and visit again after 2 days. And then I will operate him.
Then both of them go to Papaya Uncle. The Big Fat Papaya Uncle gives all medicines on time to Mittu. The next day, they followed the same advice as the doctor had told them. After 2 days, Munmun the bird takes Mittu the parrot to the doctor.
Very good. You have given all the medicines on time. That's why Mittu parrot is recovering fast.
Yes, doctor. We did not miss his medicine even for a day. We did as you had advised.
Doctor operates upon Mittu the parrot and his voice comes back. And Papaya uncle was very happy to see this. Mittu was so happy. Mittu spoke only one word.
Papaya uncle, you are my best friend. I will never forget you. Because of you, today I can talk.
My boy Mittu, this is because of your willpower. Without your try, it couldn't be possible. Very good, my boy. You did it.
Yes, Papaya uncle. But the effort which I put, you have invested more on me. But nowadays, who will help others? But you helped me. You are the hero of this jungle.
Big fat Papaya uncle starts crying. And both of them embrace each other. Then both of them live together. From this story, we learn that friendship is not based on beauty, color, or wealth. Friendship is always from the heart. And Papaya uncle and Mittu did not even know each other. But one step from Papaya uncle got him a true friend like Mittu.